Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make beef meatballs. First, gather your ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 5 pounds of ground beef with 5 cups of breadcrumbs and 1 egg. Next, add your finely minced aromatics like garlic and onion, along with fresh parsley. Season generously with salt, black pepper, and a blend of Italian herbs to build a robust flavor profile for your delicious meatballs. Once your ingredients are well combined, it's time to form the meatballs. Avoid overmixing, as this can lead to a tough texture. Use a small cookie scoop or your hands to create uniform meatballs, about 5 inches in diameter. Consistency and size ensures they cook evenly. Carefully place them on a baking sheet, leaving a little space between each one. Now, let's cook these delicious meatballs. You have a couple of great options. You can brown them in a skillet over medium-high heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, turning occasionally until they're nicely seared on all sides. Another excellent method is to bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Either way, they'll be ready for your sauce. Your homemade beef meatballs are almost ready to enjoy. After cooking, gently transfer them into your favorite simmering marinara sauce. Let them cook together for at least 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve these versatile meatballs over a bed of spaghetti, alongside some crusty garlic bread, or even as a standalone appetizer. A sprinkle of fresh Parmesan and basil adds the perfect finishing touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.